To make your experience smoother and more efficient, we've made a few important updates to how tickets are raised and handled in the SmartSense application. What has changed? A simple and user-friendly interface for raising tickets. We have reorganized issue types for better clarity and efficiency. To raise a ticket, via the SmartSense application, follow these simple steps. Log into SmartSense with your registered username and password. Click the hand icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. A new tab will open in your browser. Select the issue type from the drop-down menu. Select the appropriate subcategory based on the issue you are experiencing. In the description box, provide detailed information about the issue. Be specific and include relevant details. If applicable, attach a document of the error by clicking the clip icon. Supported file formats are PDF, PNG, or JPG. Once all fields are completed, click Submit to raise your ticket. Once you submit your ticket, you will receive a confirmation email to acknowledge that it has been received. Our support team will then process and address the issue accordingly.